Today's video, I will just be talking about some of the side hustles that international students or anyone in particular can do. And obviously, this channel, we're just focused on personal development, being more financially savvy, budgeting, investing, and all the good stuff. So I'll be dropping gems. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, do all the good things, and yeah, let's get right into it. One of the great side hustles that international students can do or get into is the beauty business. Lash technicians, nail techs, braiding, dreadlocks. There's a lot of money in this area just because girls will always want to look fine. So yeah, you can do good in tapping into this. And also business is good. I have noticed that here there's a likelihood of businesses doing good. So if you have the talent, if you know how to do makeup, you can as easily take a course on how to do lashes, nails, and then you can start your business. The other thing that is a side hustle, it's not a side hustle per se, it's maybe like a source of passive income, but because it's bringing you income, I'll still mention it. And this is fixed income securities like bonds, onshore shares, offshore ETFs. Yeah, you can decide to focus on this. You can decide maybe the money you're making from your lash business, you'll be pumping it into buying assets. And the good thing with this fixed income securities, they pay you fixed dividends or at fixed times in the year. So yeah, it's a good source of passive income. Okay, the other one that I really love so much is digital products, and these are just things like ebooks or videos or blogs, content basically that is not tangible. That's why it's called digital product. And the good thing with this one is that you can create it once and resell it infinite times, and you don't have to have any inventory, or if you want to have inventory, Amazon KDP can do that for you. So digital products is really, really good, and I have an ebook on digital product ideas that you can start today. You can as easily create a product and sell it over time, especially let's say you're good at something, you're good at maybe fitness, or you're good at cooking, you can create a recipe. If you're good at fitness, you can create a workout routine. If you're good at finances, you can create an ebook on finances. If you're good at marketing, you can create an ebook on marketing. Like, there's so many things. If you're good at traveling, you can create an ebook like on guiding people on how to travel, and you can resell it on the internet for so much money. That is another source of passive income, guys. And the other thing that I've seen that makes money for international students is on the side is like things like Uber Eats, DoorDash, delivery services. One thing about here, people are not afraid to spend on like delivery services. So if you can tap into some of this money and bring it home to you, yeah, you can do that. You can deliver food, you can do grocery shopping and deliver it. Yeah, so Uber Eats, DoorDash, delivery, and all that, you can look into it. The other thing that you can do is things like furniture joinery is quite a good side hustle. I've seen people make a lot of money like on Airtasker. You can advertise yourself on Airtasker and you will find customers there, because obviously, like me, I don't know how to join a table, I don't know how to join a console, I don't know how to join a bed, and it's a lot of work. I'd rather delegate. So if you're good at this, if you maybe you came with like skills from Kenya and you know how to do it, you can just do it as a side hustle and it will bring you extra income. The other one that I've seen that international students do is mechanic and plumbing. By the way, those are like one of the side hustles that have a lot of money here, guys. If you know how to plumb, if you know how to like fix cars, you can be doing it as a side hustle. You can advertise yourself in groups, you can advertise yourself in like Airtasker. Yeah, things like locksmith, basic stuff, like, and they earn good money, guys. So if you're good at these things, if you came with skills from home and you know, like, you can monetize that, you can. Okay, the other thing that you can do is commercial and domestic cleaning and I know like people when they hear cleaning, they're like, ugh, I'm not about to break my back, manual handling and all that. It's a lot. But if you're strategic, you can actually make good money. So guys, it's all about like positioning yourself and being consistent and actually wanting to do it. You can choose something and just decide to stick to it. You can decide maybe I want to be a lash tech, you do that. You can decide maybe I want to do plumbing, you do that. You don't have to do everything, but this is a good side hustle because there's always people that need cleaning. Man, people here are quite lazy, if I'm honest, and they're willing to pay extra money for cleaning, for pick up my laundry, walk my dog. Like you can literally make money doing anything. So guys, if you're looking for some extra money, you can check this out. The other thing that is getting a lot of popularity is obviously social media platforms like YouTube, or creating user generated content, UGC, like making content for companies for their products. You don't have to market the content, you just make the videos and they sell the videos and they pay you. Like TikTok shop. I've seen people like in the US make a lot of money from like TikTok shop, affiliate marketing. If these are things that you're interested in and you're like computer savvy, you can check into it, guys. I would like to hear in the comments which are some of the other side hustles that have earned you some dollars here and there. Also, check out my ebook in my description box. It talks about different ebook ideas that you can start selling today. Okay, guys, I will see you next time.